Thermal Drain is a patented protection board manufactured by GMX. It has become the premier insulating drainage board of the waterproofing industry by offering unmatched performance. Made from recycled plastic, it is tough and durable. Unlike fiberglass, it is UV resistant and does not itch, all while providing the best drainage in its class. Thermal Drain stands alone as the best choice for protecting what matters. Recycle, reuse, reduce. Thermal Drain is doing its part to minimize our everyday waste, as 70% of its content is recycled plastic. That plastic is polyester, which retains much of its original strength when compared to other recycled plastics. What's even better is the recycled materials are post-consumer sources. This means the stuff you and I are throwing away every day are being reused. Thermal Drain is truly a product helping to keep our landfills from being overrun. Thermal Drain's durability is impressive. You are watching a stone slinger place stone around a basement wall. In just a few passes, the pink fiberglass board is completely shredded while Thermal Drain is unscathed. It is amazingly tough and will protect your basement against the worst backfill conditions. Thermal Drain's drainage capabilities are in a class by itself. This is a simulation that tests the drainage ability of Thermal Drain against fiberglass. The apparatus allows both boards to have equal access to water. Once the water enters the face at the top, gravity pulls the water through the core to the bottom where it exits through the face again. It does so because the underside edge is sealed with waterproofing. While the buckets are filling, let's talk about a very important difference in the test method used in a laboratory setting versus how water flows in the real world. The most often used test in our industry is ASTM D4716, which tests the in-plane flow rate of drainage products. This test is conducted by placing a sample in between two metal plates covering the front and back. Water is introduced at the top edge. It is timed and collected as it drains through the bottom. This test is often cited in our competitors' data sheets, and it unfortunately is a poor indicator of in-ground drainage performance. In the real world, water enters through the face of the board and travels down the core and exits through the bottom face. As we stated earlier, it must exit the face at the footer because the bottom is sealed with waterproofing membrane. So how does a typical fiberglass product compare to Thermal Drain in the real world? As you can see, it's not even close. Thermal Drain moves 7 times more water than fiberglass. 7 times! That's incredible! And there is no other product that offers the unique combination of all these attributes. Thermal Drain is one of those rare products that lives up to the hype. It really is as good as advertised. Toughness, drainage, and our value are all wrapped into one, and it comes from the stuff we throw away every day. Contact GMX to find out how you too can waterproof with the best products on the market today.